Whatever he described himself in the Quran, we believe in it without making any example to the creation, right? And to believe that all the prophets were sent with a good message. Something real quick, yeah?
Okay.
This is the Quran, Surah Al-Anbiya, which again you have the Quran, so it's the 21st chapter, 33rd verse. It is He who created the night and the day, the sun and the moon, and all the heavenly bodies in an orbit are they swimming. Right? Now think about it, a man who couldn't read or write in a desert more than 1400 years ago, how would he know that the moon and the sun and all the planets have an orbit? Like maybe you could say you see the moon going across the sky, but that's the rotation of the earth. If you talk about, okay, well, you could say maybe the moon's in different parts of the sky at different parts of the night in different seasons, but the sun's orbit is so slow, it was impossible to verify until we had the Hubble telescope, right? So how could a man know that, right? Like Christianity always see this thing, they hate science, right? You talk about science in church, they're like, just believe, blind faith, it's a mystery, But in Islam, we believe science is only a study of the creation of God, right? So when you look at verses like this, right? This is in the Quran as well, in Surah Al-Mu'minun. This is the 23rd chapter, in the 14th verse. And then we made a sperm drop into a clinging clot. And then we made the clot into a lump of flesh, and we made from the lump bones, and then we covered the bones with flesh. Then we developed into another creation, so blessed is Allah, the best of creators. So now, how the fetus develops in the womb, right? How it first becomes like a clinging clot that clings to the side of the womb, and then it develops into a little lump. Bones develop first, and then flesh around it. How could a man in a desert, no ultrasound machines, no MRIs, no way,
Yeah.
how would he know that? Right? A man who couldn't even read or write.
Crazy.
Makes sense,
Yeah,
right?
it does. It does.
Yeah.
And it's so poetic too.
It is. It's beautiful. The Quran has a beautiful way. In the Quran, in Surah Nur, the 24th chapter, in the 40th verse, or they are like the darknesses within an unfathomable sea, which is covered by waves upon which are waves. Right? The fact that the depth of the oceans and the seas is an absolutely unimaginable darkness, he could not have known. He wasn't a deep sea diver, right? And the fact that there are waves underneath the ocean, not just up on top, was something we didn't discover as humanity until we got submarines and deep diving equipment. So again, a man can't guess and get it right every time, right? You look at the development of the fetus in the mentioned in the Quran in Surah Zumar 39th and 6. He created you in wombs of your mothers, a creation after creation within 3 darknesses. So if you look at the anterior abdominal wall, the uterine wall, and then you look at the anochorionic membrane, these are the 3 coverings within which the embryo develops. 3 darknesses, 3 whales, 3 coverings, right? Again, now look at this. And he extracted from the earth, from it, its water and pastures. The fact that water actually didn't come from asteroids coming into the earth, but was from earth itself, something scientists recently discovered. So if you look at one after the other, these kinds of things from a man who couldn't read or write, right? And a belief that makes sense. You already said it makes sense, right? Believe in one God, not a human, not a monkey, don't give it any kind of shape or form. Whatever Allah, the Creator, said about Himself, we believe in it. That's it. Whatever He described Himself in the Quran, we believe in it without making any example to the creation, right? And to believe that all the prophets were sent with a good message. We love Abraham, we love Moses, we love Jesus, we love Muhammad, peace be upon them. We believe they all brought the same message. Don't kill, don't steal, be good to your neighbor, don't worship idols, worship the one God. And the one God they worship, we worship. Your son's already there. What about you? Does it make sense?
It does.
All right.
What do you think, Kai?
What do you think, Kai? Your mom should do her Shahadah? What do you think?
Yeah.
There you go. Kai. That's it. He's already going to buy you some hijabs. We're going to give you some as gifts. And now son and mother can be on the same track.
I know where all the stores are, sister. I'm telling you. Sister,
Good deals.
sister, I got the good deals, sister. I'm
All
telling
right.
you. Meet me at the Somali
Well,
Plaza in Clarkston.
We'll get you some free as gifts from us.
Yes, I got you.
All right. Let's
Okay.
do it. So, do you believe there's only one God?
Yes.
And do you believe that Abraham, Moses, Jesus, Muhammad were prophets of God?
Yes.
Then you're already Muslim. We're going to do your official Shahada, okay? Say Arabic first or English first?
Let's do Arabic first.
Ooh, you and your son are both brave like that. He did Arabic first too. I like it.
We're thrill seekers.
Yeah, I see. All right. Say it with me. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
an
an
la
la
ilaha
ilaha
illallah.
illallah.
You said it excellent. Wa
What?
ashhadu
Ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammada
Muhammada
abduhu
abdahu
wa rasuluh.
wa rasuluh.
Allahu Akbar. Perfect. All right. English, you know what it means, huh?
Okay.
I bear witness
I bear witness.
there is none worthy of worship
There is none worthy of worship
except Allah.
except Allah.
And I bear witness
And I bear witness
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is the servant
is the servant
and messenger of Allah.
and messenger of Allah.
Allahu Akbar. You are officially Muslim. All right. Your son already has the Quran. Take one for yourself as well.
Oh,
Or
I
is
will
one
use
enough?
this one because
Okay,
he has
perfect.
one at home. Is that okay?
He wants a hug. Oh, that's beautiful. MashaAllah.
You happy?
Yeah, take the mat.
Take everything, man. Take everything.
Take everything. I guess I
Oh,
need
Mom.
one for myself.
If you do.
Oh, I got one for you. Hold on.
Okay.
You got one?
There's your pen.